Not sure where to start when creating your resume? In this video, I'm going to give you tips and tricks which will help you not only write your resume but also finalize it today. Before we dive in, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be informed whenever I post my videos. Also give this video a like if you are excited about writing your resume today. Hi, I'm Madhurima, India's first 10x corporate readiness transformer. I have helped over 10,000 professionals skyrocket their career growth.
Start with a Word document. Write your name and important contact information. I have seen people writing the word resume on top, but there is no need for that. Mention your contact details. Do not write multiple phone numbers or email addresses. Give the best one. You don't want the recruiter to guess and choose. Your email address should look professional. Don't use anything like changnirahul@gmail.com.
So far, if you were not aware of these mistakes but now you know the correct way to display these details, then comment below with a yes.
Write a profile summary instead of career objective. Why? Because career objective is useless to the recruiter. This is because it tells them what you want and not what they want to see. On the other hand, a profile summary quickly tells them what you have been up to and your major skills.
Now, if you want more in-depth tips on how to write a profile summary, then I have a proven formula to do so. This is included in your Breakthrough Resume course, which is a 1-hour recorded training. This course not only walks you through how to write a profile summary, but also other important resume sections like skills and work experience. You can access this course from the link shared in the description box below. Add your skills under a separate section. Now, if you do not know what skills would be aligned to your job role, then you can research that on job portals. Highlight your achievements. Have an achievement section to display any awards, promotions, or appreciation that you have received, especially in the last 1 year. Then continue by writing quantifiable roles and responsibilities instead of writing them as plain job responsibilities. Finish your resume with your education details. I have seen a lot of people making this mistake of putting their education details on top of the resume, thereby underutilizing this valuable real estate. Education would no longer be relevant if you have got work experience, so always put education at the bottom of the resume. So far in this video, we have discussed precise and practical resume writing tips for experienced professionals like you. Start finalizing your resume today with the help of these tips. If you want more in-depth knowledge of resume writing, then do access the Breakthrough Resume course, which is linked below in the description box. This is a 1-hour recorded training. Please subscribe for more such awesome videos from this channel. Share this video with a friend who could benefit. I wish you all the best with your career and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.